to make Africa great again, it's going to depend on exactly the right information you need to have about who you are as an individual. Now, it doesn't matter if you identify as Caucasian or African or Asian. The reason why I say that is because at the end of the day, everyone has a role to play in life itself, right? Everything is not, how do I explain it? It's like, this is going to sound crazy, but I hope you understand where I'm going with this. Yeah, you can have so much information about how Africa was back in the day and all that stuff there, pre-colonialism, all that stuff there. Cool. But Asians, Caucasians, and Africans, yeah, and even within Asians, even within Caucasians, and even with Africans, there's different tribes, yeah, there are different tribes within that. So they have always coexisted together on the planet, always. So the point I'm trying to make is this: you have to, yeah, especially if you are an individual watching this, whether you're a man or a woman, yeah, you have to learn exactly what your true purpose is, which I like to call your personalized mission on Earth. Once you identify with that, and you identify, in fact, you learn exactly how. In fact, let's just stick to that. I guarantee you're gonna have that knock-on effect because everyone has that. The domino effect. That's how it plays out. All right. So if you click the link in the description box below, you get access to online courses such as roles and relationships. Not that course, but that course does help. But that the course like career and business. That's where you're going to learn exactly how, what your true personal mission on Earth is, how to go on that purpose, go on that mission, and do whatever is necessary to ensure that you're playing your role that's going to make Africa great again. Do you see what I'm saying? But other than that, the other alternative is you can actually make a donation. If you click the link in the description box below where it says make a donation, you can make a donation of any amount, okay? Because what we're doing at the Alkebulantrust is effectively rebuilding the infrastructure in the African and Caribbean diaspora, all right? So click on the link in the description box below where it says make a donation, and you'll be able to do that, all right? So any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.